Hi, welcome to Lynne Life. I'm Jonathan, and as you know, I'm a caregiver for my wife Lynne, who has a brain injury, and we're here to spread positive awareness for people with brain injuries and disabilities in general. And today, in keeping with the Christmas season, we're going to make a gingerbread house. Okay, so this is the gingerbread house we're going to make. Say gingerbread house. What we're going to do, but Justin and I are never satisfied with just doing it the way they indicate, so we're going to make it even better. First of all, because Justin and I will never settle for just what the box says, we have to make it better. So we are cutting out the windows, and we're going to put a light inside it. So I might even put a little glazing in the inside of that window and make it sort of an amber color. And we're going to make this fancy, so this is going to be really cool. Took some time and we cut the windows out, yeah? And if we look right over here, we put a light in there so that this will light up.
You did a good job, John.
Just hold it up. This will just hold it in place, and okay. Geez, we're hoping it stays together. Right, Lynn? Wait a second. What are you doing? Okay, that's the door.
That's the door.
We're going to put that on later, okay? We'll do that a little bit later. So if I take my hand off, it is kind of staying together. Justin made a good point that he, with putting the light in here, it may create heat and melt the frosting and it'll all fall apart. So we'll see. I guess we won't light it for very long. Okay? And that's going to be the door. We're going to have a door. And we have a couple gingerbread men here, right? A couple gingerbread men. We're going to use them. We're going to decorate those guys up. Ones. Here's a blue one. Look, put it in the eye. Good. Make sure you get them on some sticky stuff. That looks good. Getting there, huh? Mm-hmm. Now let's put some more. Here. Put one like right wherever. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, stick some more on the other side. You know, it's like a gingerbread house. I gotta work on the windows. We still get all these little things in there. Okay, well, the gingerbread house is coming along. Lynne's eating a lot of candy, right? And there's a couple things I wanted to say. Now, last week, I asked you guys for a lot of comments. If you could please comment at the bottom, and you guys did. We've had a lot more comments, and we've had a lot more viewers on the channel. And also last week, I said that we'd gotten an email from YouTube saying that we'd reached 100 subscribers. Now it's well over 200. So and that's in just 1 week. So it's definitely growing. It's doing well. I want you to keep commenting below. I want you to make some suggestions. Us doing a gingerbread house right here was a suggestion for one of our subscribers. So, oh, so one other thing I wanted to say. I was in Walmart earlier today, and I saw something really crazy, and this is it. All right, now this thing that we're watching right now would have scared the bejesus out of me as a little kid. The dancing Santa. You know, so I don't know who would buy that, but it's pretty wild. He's got some incredible moves though, him and the snowman. But all right, Lynn, so we're gonna continue with our decorating, right? Did a good job on our gingerbread men. I think we can move to start putting some of these little trees up. Comes the reveal, go ahead. Magic. Okay, so that wraps up our gingerbread house. I think we did a pretty good job. I know Lynne enjoyed eating a lot of the candies, and I'd like to see what some other people have done. I mean, we do have Instagram and Twitter now, so you could always post a picture on either one of those accounts, and the accounts are up on the screen. So I think that wraps it up.
We will see you next time on The Lynne Life.